Okay, so let's solve today's lead code challenge. I had a little thought problem. That's why I didn't post the video yesterday. Hopefully, I'll do it tomorrow. So, this question says that we are given an array of positive and negative candidates. We have to evaluate bitwise and of every combination of number of candidates, and we have to return largest combination of candidates with a bitwise and greater than 0. So the constraints given here, this and this. From this constraint, we can deduce that uh, each number in the candidates will be around 24 to 25 bits using simple maths. And I'll just take the count array of 32 bit size just to present this. I don't know the exact, it's 25. So let's take an example first. If we add up all these three, if we add each digit with the other digit, here we would get 1, 1, and 1. 0, 0, and 1. Same goes here. Ultimately, the answer we will get is 0, 0, 0, which we don't. So, maximum device combination here would be any two bits numbers insert. So, this was it. I just have to return the size of the largest population. So, return the answer as true and not the combination I have to take out. So, in case I had to take out what combinations, I would have using normal backtracking, and that would have given me a time complexity of O of O of p to the power n, O of 2 raised to the power n. That would have given me a time complexity of O of 2 raised to n. I don't. In this case, that one time complexity can be 30, as we are taking a 32 bit size array for every number and traversing all the numbers with time complexity. Now let's code it down. Code is also data zero like 1 Five, five, is one. And so if this bit is set, we implement it out. If it is not set, we will do not implement it as the position. Like populate this whole town area. Limbo and type shift my number. And return max of town, whatever it should be. Okay. And that would be so time complexity and ready to be over 30. This was today's. Let's just check if we get it the correct dates. Passing all the test cases. So this was today's problem. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.